Importance of management. We understood that management is a universal activity. Now, we are going to examine some of the reasons that have made management so important. Management helps in achieving group goals. Management is required not for itself, but for achieving the goals of the organization. It always focuses on the group goals. Management increases efficiency. The aim of a manager is to reduce costs and increase productivity through better performance of the managerial functions. Management creates a dynamic organization. Management helps people adapt to the changes in an organization so that the organization is able to maintain its competitive edge. Management helps in achieving personal objectives. A manager motivates and leads his team in such a manner that individual members are able to achieve personal goals while contributing to the overall organizational objective. Management helps in the development of society. Management helps to ensure the social objectives of an organization is getting accomplished. It helps to provide good quality products and services, creates employment opportunities, and leads the path towards growth and development. Objectives of management. Management objectives can be well defined under three important categories: organizational, social, and personal. Organizational objectives. Management is responsible for setting and achieving objectives for the organization. It can be maximization of profit, survival, and business growth. Social objectives. This refers to consistently creating economic value for various constituents of society. Personal objectives. Organizations are made up of people who have different personalities. The interests of these individuals need to be addressed.